The power supply board, there's just 2 plugs here and here. There's about 5 screws going around. It'll be real simple to take out. You just want to pinch down on it to where it releases. You can pull it out. Same thing with this guy. We just pull the screws. And that is power supply board. There are just 3 plugs here, plus the ribbon cable connection that we're going to get out first, and then we're going to pull these 2 screws off the board, and that should pull it away from the back. You just want to pinch on the bottom to where the latch comes up over the plug. They should just come right out. Same thing with this guy. The ribbon cable connection, you want to get your fingernail underneath the flap, pop it up, and these should just ease out of there. We can get the screws. Should be it for the main board.